What's up everyone, this is Kenny here from Property Stories, and few times I got some questions like this. Kenny, you spend so much time doing these videos, writing books, creating content and posting. Actually, what's the point? Are you making any money or not? Why are you doing this? So today I want to address the question, what am I doing, and how it actually fits into a goal, and how the things has evolved over the years as my understanding gets deeper. So first off, I don't know how many of you know, but actually this Hikaya Hatana, this word Hikaya Hatana actually came from my blog post. My blog spot is actually, the name is the same name actually, before I stop it in a while and transfer it to a personal Facebook. It's Hikaya Hatana and it's in Malay because I wrote it in Malay language. Because at that time, I have a lot of customers who are from the Bumiputra, Malay Bumiputra, okay? So it's easier to converse with them in Malay. That is why I wrote that. I started it because as my job in the banking, right, I'm doing mortgages now. So nearly every day, I'm answering the same questions. So I thought, like, why not I just put a blog post, and then if they ask the question, I just go to my blog. Here you are, the answer. If you don't understand, you feel free to ask further. Oh, another question. Okay, then take a question first. So what it does, right, it helps me to manage the stream of prospects and leads that is coming, because I need to keep on prospecting to get new leads, right? So I don't know the leads, what's the leads stage? Is it ready to buy? Is it okay, still thinking, or is it right now must buy? This one's the right now one is the one that you want at the moment, but you cannot neglect the 80% that is going to buy like maybe 6 months, 3 months down the road, okay? Well, in these mortgage cases, right, I find if you are doing mortgage, the time is very short one. Once they place a booking, they go and find loan, Mike. So most of the time you have like what, 14 days? 14 days, if they don't buy, the chances are is they got assigned other bank, or they just cancel the purchase. That's it. Okay? It's very simple one. So it's not like a long sales cycle like buying a property. Because mortgage bankers like myself, we come only after the customer has placed a booking with the developer or with the vendor. Okay? And that is where I come in. That's how Hikaya Hatana was born. And so I was writing, every week I try to write one, and every question I try to write one blog post. That I caught the eye of a publisher. Her name is Cik Rohaniano. She's from Kasih Terbit, a publishing company that specializes in publishing a lot of educational books, especially in real estate, in finance, and also travelogues, a lot of travelogues. She actually published a lot of books, okay? She approached and asked me whether I want to actually collect my blog writings and publish into a book. At that point of time, I was thinking, will anyone actually read this? These are like simple things, simple things that everybody should know. I don't think anybody will read. That didn't deter her. She still keep asking. So in the end, I thought, why not just publish a book? So just collected the materials, then got in the book, and surprisingly, the book did very well, and a lot of positive feedback from the market. Then I realized, actually, the public out there and myself is different, because I do the work every day. I see loans every day, I process loans every day. But the public, you may buy one house and then 10 years later buy another house. Most of them, where got people buy, not many, but still got people every month buy house one, or every year buy one, okay? But not many. How many of them will actually buy that many? So once they get that knowledge, right, then it's easier for them to pass the loan, improve the loan, and get the house. I underestimated myself, actually. The knowledge that I have, I thought it's common knowledge and it wouldn't sell. Until now, it still sells, and here I would like to express my biggest thank you to anyone that bought it. I wrote it for all of you. I hope it's beneficial, and I will continue to produce and write more if I get good feedback that is useful to you. If it's not useful, then that's the day I will stop. Okay? Recently, the book also did very well in terms of getting into the public library. Just got into the Selangor Public Library, so it will be available in all public libraries in Selangor. Of course, we are going to work on it until it's in the shelf of all public libraries in Malaysia. Yeah, hopefully that will come one day. Then we will have more people that read the book and also exposed to the knowledge. The writing the book actually gave me a new perspective on how this social media actually can work. You see, it is another form of leverage. Imagine the book today, people don't know me, but people may read the book. People read the book, then they will know me because of the book inside there got my contact and also the social media handles, right? Actually, the book is like a promotional material working 24/7, 365 without complaining. It's like my name card, okay? And the contents here is also the same. That's why I'm continue creating. And then after writing, I realized the video is picking up, video content is picking up. That's where even though I don't like talking over on video, I still a little bit freezing now here and there. I took the challenge to start a YouTube channel in 2019. At that time, I was also in real estate, so I thought, why not just share YouTube? And that's how I found YouTube, and I found the big world of content creation in YouTube and how to use YouTube as a business. I'm a business owner. I'm a businessman. I'm a business owner with a YouTube channel, not a YouTuber with a business. Okay, there's a very big difference in that. So I keep on trying to improve and see how to generate leads. My aim is now to use YouTube to publish content and also generate leads from there. That is what you are seeing right now. Okay, so from writing on a blog, then publishing a book, then after that now I realized that YouTube can be used for business. So I'm trying to use YouTube to generate leads. What kind of leads that I'm looking for? I'm looking for leads for my loan business. As you know, I'm going to a bank, I'm doing SME loans, but any loan business that comes my way, I will definitely be able to refer you to some of the team member or some of my friends. I still have a lot of friends that's doing loan, okay? So don't have to worry about that. I just have to ask. Just ask me and tell me what loan you want. I'll do my best to find someone to contact you, okay? Of course, any terms and conditions you have to discuss with the person that contact you. My job is to be a connector. I connect you and the person, the service provider, okay? I connect you and the service provider. That's what I do. So overall, I still have not found a formula right till now. I still do not have the consistency. If you are wondering, it's not a success, it's still a failure. A failure in the sense that it's not achieving the objective that I want. What objective that I want? I want a steady stream of leads, qualified leads from YouTube, and I'm not getting it. For me, every week, right, for a start, every week can get one lead, one qualified lead for any loans. I think it's good enough for the moment. As the channel grows bigger, of course, I want to have more leads that I can handle from the channel itself, all right? And also from other publications content creation, maybe from my books, second books, or my posts in Facebook or anything like that, or posts in LinkedIn. Basically from social media. I want to learn how to generate leads on social media, sell on social media, on top of the traditional outreach, right? Traditional outreach is like cold call. I definitely need to do that. So that's what I'm trying to do. So that's my long-term plan with this YouTube channel and also social media in general, to generate leads for the business. I hope that answers your question on why I'm still doing this, why I'm adamant of doing this, because I see the potential in social media. Okay, I see the potential in social media in generating a steady stream of income and also leads for business. Doesn't matter what business you are. Maybe some business is more suitable for social media, some business is not. But services business, like what I'm doing right now, is always suitable for social media because social media will give you the much leverage that you need on top of whatever you are doing right now, especially cold outreach. So that's it for me for today. If you like this video, you can consider subscribing. And of course, if you would like to look for a loan or any of your friends would like to look for a loan, the link, my WhatsApp link is right down below. tell me what loan you're looking for, and I'll see you there. We can continue the conversation there. Okay, this is Kenny here from Property Stories. Bye bye.